Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So we are officially in one of my favorite seasons, or at least getting ready to be in this season, and that is of course the fall. So for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some fall DIY decor that you can try out this season, and of course reacting to them. So if you are just like me, you're kind of getting into that pre-decorating mindset, this video is really going to help you out. So here we have someone doing some various fall themed decor with a candle and a little side table set up. Now she did go with more of that classic orange color scheme. I like how she took the time out to decorate the stairs too with the lanterns. Very cute. So yeah, she went with more of like the traditional fall color scheme of yellows, browns, and oranges. Lots of pumpkins. Very cute. Next up, we have a pumpkin flower arrangement. So she's using a real pumpkin for this. Painting it. Oh wow, that looks really nice. I love the colors she used. And I'm guessing because her pumpkin is real, that her florals are also real as well. They definitely look like it. But if you wanted to, you can always go with faux flowers and faux pumpkin as well. Nothing wrong with that. And she did go with a less traditional color scheme, a lot of purples and pinks mixed in here, which personally I love. And she also added a touch of greenery as well. A few little yellow pumpkin squashes going there on the side. Next up, we have someone who has more of my aesthetic with the white and gold. Okay, that was there before. So it looks like they did do a touch of orange here. A lot of neutral colors. Yeah, this is still definitely more my aesthetic. I like a lot of neutral tones, or the golds and the whites when it comes to my fall decor. But everybody has their own personal style. All right, next up we have this jack-o'-lantern DIY. So she painted this and gave it more of like this terracotta look. And now thinking about it, that is what the previous person did when they did that table arrangement. It also had like a little bit of a terracotta look to it. So she bought like some plain jack-o'-lanterns, and obviously she's gonna give it more of the terracotta type of vibe and look. So she did end up painting it. Now the way she's doing it is kind of messy. I think if she would have just took the paint and mixed the baking soda in there, it would have been a little, you know, easier to work with. But maybe that's how she likes to operate here. So, okay, she's doing some on the side. She's just having fun with it, and I love that. Sometimes you can't take things seriously. Just have fun when you're doing these DIYs. Okay, so after painting, she does go back in, and then I think she does do the baking soda. But that is so cute. I love it. And it looks like she had some going on the mantle as well. So here's another DIY featuring white and gold for this game. Walmart candy dish. Oh, so we have some fun sunflowers in here, some yellows, oranges. So yeah, this is more like that traditional fall color scheme. Let me know in the comments below, what colors do you like to decorate when it comes to your fall decor? So here we have someone with some leaves. Now I've seen these at the dollar store. I do actually have some. This is a nice way to decorate like your TV console. Like I love decorating the TV console and just kind of like making it look fall themed. And what's great about the fall now is that you can pretty much buy pumpkins in any color that you desire. You got pink, blue, green, maroon. I mean, the options are really just endless. So she does add a white and gold pumpkin to this particular styling that she's doing. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the fall decor ideas. There will be a part 2 of this video, and I will also be doing one for Halloween, so definitely stay tuned for that. We also have the Christmas season on the horizon, so I will be doing tons more DIY style reaction videos. If you guys did enjoy this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.